and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Clare Walch Dreamcoat. So it's this one here. I've got quite a big bottle here. This is a 500ml bottle, which is very kindly gifted to me from Clare Walch. Not sponsored, it is gifted. I'm free to say whatever I like. So yeah, this is the Dreamcoat Supernatural Spray. It says it magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. So yeah, it sounds absolutely incredible. I absolutely love the packaging of this like mirrored effect. It is so pretty. So yeah, you can get different sizes of this. This I believe is the biggest one. So this is 500ml. I think there is a medium sized one and a smaller one as well. I think it might go down to like 10 or 15ml. But I've heard so much hype around this product. I have tried a keratin treatment one in the past, which I did like, but I just feel like that one's a little bit more of an upkeep compared to this, because with that one, you know, you can't colour your hair or anything like that, whereas this one you can. And I also tried the Skin or the Hair Proud, sorry, one as well, which I do also like. So this has to be activated by heat. So you can't put it in, leave your hair to air dry, because it won't work. It has to have heat to make it actually work and take effect. So I'm going to show you a little demo of me using this. And yes, I'm going to wash, so shampoo, condition my hair, and then style it afterwards with heat, as I say. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I got my hair looking like this to this, and I am so happy with it just using this spray. So hair is now all freshly washed. I just washed with shampoo and conditioner, and that's it. I haven't put any other products on at all, so it took me a while to brush it out because it was knotty, but now I'm going to go on with the Clare Walch. So it says you have to do it in sections and then blow dry it per section. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to be using the hottest heat setting on my hairdryer for this. All right, and I'm going to take this bit, I think, first. So I'll shove that out the way, and then just make sure there's no knots. Take this and give it a good spray. Oh, it's a nice mist. I'm then going to brush it again just to make sure it gets to all of the hair. Just curious to know what it smells like. Not a lot really, doesn't really smell of much at all. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hairdryer, and as I say, we're going to brush, and I'm going to brush with a kind of, I'm going to be pulling down. So this is a wet brush, and I'm just going to be pulling down as I brush it. Okay, so there's that section done. It feels so soft. It really does. It feels really smooth. And as I say, bearing in mind I didn't use any of my normal serums or anything. I just used the Clare Walch spray. So yeah, it does feel really nice and smooth. So I'm going to continue to do that as I did there in sections around my whole head. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because it'll be boring. But I'm going to take the next section on this side. Fab, and brush it through again. Right, okay, so that's those two sections done now. Oh, it feels so good, it really does. I've got high hopes for this because normally when I blow dry my hair, it's quite kind of big, as in, you know, quite frizzy. And this seems to be kind of having a bit of an adverse effect on it like that. It's gone really quite sleek, which is, as I say, unless I put straighteners on, it won't do that, because as you can probably tell on this side, I have naturally wavy hair. So yeah, brilliant. Right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish off my hair now with the blow dryer. So I'm not going to use straighteners on it just yet. I probably will at the end. Well, maybe. I might not need to. But yeah, so I'll see you then. Right then, okay, so all blow dried now. It actually felt like it was quicker to dry than usual. It normally takes about half an hour, but it took me about 25 minutes, I'd say, so it's definitely quicker. It's a lot less poofy than it normally is, believe it or not. It still looks a bit poofy, but it's nowhere near as much as it normally is. It definitely needs a straighten as well. But I don't feel I'm going to need to like section it and straighten it. I feel like I need to just go over the top and then maybe just like take them through the ends. So yeah, that's going to cut the time in half dramatically as well. So I'll do that next. It does say that if you straighten it, it kind of enhances the shine as well. So I might use this like a little bit, not as much as I did when I did the blow dryer, but just a little bit, and then pop the straighteners over it. So we'll do this side. So as I say, just a little bit. I'm going to hold it quite far away and just pop a tiny bit on. And then I'll brush it through. Oops. Okay, yeah, it doesn't feel too wet or anything. Right, and then take my straighteners, and as I say, I'm going to kind of position myself a bit better. Take it from the root on these shorter bits. And just bring that down. It's kind of like my straighteners are gliding through it as well. I mean, they're pretty good, you know, they normally do a good job, but I just feel like there's no tugging. It's like really smooth. And I'll do this front bit. Give that. Yeah, see, that looks so much better already. And then what I'm going to do is just where the join is between my natural hair and the extensions, I'm going to take that through there as well. Okay, so that's that all done. That didn't take very long at all, like 5 minutes. And oh, it looks and feels so much better. I'm really pleased with it. It's so soft. Yeah, if you look at it compared to this side, that obviously I have used the hairdryer on this side, but I haven't straightened it. The shine is quite a dramatic difference, I think, after using the straighteners. It's showing up all my little different bits of blonde in there. I need to sort that out. But yeah, it's yeah, really nice. Right, so I'll go ahead and finish the rest, and then I'll come back and show you it all completely done. Okay, so this is how it's turned out. I love it, absolutely love it. It looks so healthy, it looks shiny, smooth, it feels smooth as well. Yeah, honestly, I am obsessed with this stuff now. It is so good. And it took minimal effort, which is what I really like, because as I said before, normally my hair takes forever to dry after I've washed it. Yeah, and to style and everything, but it really did take the hard work out of it. So yeah, the good thing about this is that it will last now, or it claims to last 3 to 4 washes as well. So I don't have to apply any more of this for another like 4 washes, which is great, because obviously it's going to make it last longer. And hopefully I'm not going to have the issue of my hair taking me forever again. So I do have an affiliate code which will give you a discount to purchase from Clare Walch, which I will pop in the description box below along with the link for the product as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel, until then, thanks for watching. Bye!